Hey, pretty planner dolls. It's me, Shonda of Pretty Face Plans. And yes, it's time for another unboxing, unpouching Happy Mail video. I got some new Happy Mail. This is the latest subscription from Oso Paper. It is the May monthly subscription. And as you can see, I have not even opened it. That sticker is too cute, so I'm going to try to figure out how to open this without messing up my sticker. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside this package, you know what to do. Just stick around. So I'm going to do a little bit of surgery so I can try to get this sticker off without tearing it so I can use it on something. And it's not going as planned, so I'm going to work with it, and I'll be back. Got him. Okay, tore up my envelope a little bit, guys, but it did not tear the sticker. I was able to get that sticker off in pretty good shape. I can still use it for something else. Okay, so now let's take this X-Acto knife to get on in here and see what we have this month. This is one of my favorite things to do, is open up Happy Mail and see all of the surprises that come in my monthly subscriptions. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God, I am going to hurt him. Okay, so we have some kind of planner cover. Oh, I wonder if my, oh, and a pen. Okay, let's see. Let's just take all of this out and let's explore this lovely piece of beauty right here. Let me zoom out just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so this is a nice leatherette. I don't know if it's real leather, but it's a nice planner pocket pouch. And I am going to take just an old classic size, nope, a classic size planner is not gonna fit in there. So I guess maybe an A5 planner, which I don't have. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I can put in here. But it is cute, it's nice quality. You have this pocket, then you have some larger back pockets like that, and a pen loop. And I saw we had a pen. Ooh, that's pretty. I love the crystals inside this. It says Oso Paper on the pen clip. And let's see what color it writes. Where is my Oso Paper notepad? Right here. It's black ink. Write smooth. I love it. I gotta see what I'm gonna be able to fit in here so I can put my cute little pen in my pen loop like that. And I gotta find me a notebook or something I can put in there. Love that color pattern and geometric design on it. So let me set that out of the way. Then we have this lovely little postcard with the mini Nistas from this month's collection. They are on vacation at the Beverly Hills Hotel. And on the back, the theme is Summer in the City. Inside, we have a 10-page sticker book, a sticker of the month, a quote sticker, a magnet, a postcard, and a mystery item. And I've already done the mystery item. And I will share my goodies on social media and tag on Oso Paper. And I already bought some other things from the Summer in the City collection on the website. Okay, so here is the sticker of the month. It has the girls on their little luggage cart going into the Beverly Hills Hotel. And you get a matching magnet that I'm going to go put on my dry erase board at work so I can think about when work is over and I get to be on vacation. Then you have this sticker that says, I dream of summers that last forever. Yes, I do, because I am off during the summers for about a month. So if I could stretch that month out till forever, that would be great. And still get paid, of course. Okay. Then we have another little postcard. I thought this was the pink envelope. I was like, oh, I got another pink envelope. But that's coming with my order that I already placed. What else we have? You could win a $50 Oso Paper gift card. Here's what you do. Take a selfie with your Oso Paper pink envelope, upload the picture to our Facebook page, or post it on Instagram with the hashtag Oso Paper. Email the picture with orders. Email the picture to orders@osopaper.com with the subject selfie. You will be automatically entered to win every month. Scratch here to reveal your subscribers only area passcode. Okay, cute. Okay, so I need to keep that. And let's look, last but not least, in this kit, we have the sticker book. Let's see the stickers for this month. Okay, this sticker book has a little bit different format from what the previous two have had. The sticker sheets are longer, but you still get the 10 sheets of stickers. Let me just see if I can find one of the sticker books from last month somewhere quickly. Can't put my hands on one immediately. Let me see. Okay, here's one. So this was the March one, and as you can see, it was the same, well, a little bit wider, but much shorter. And you still got 10 sheets. So this one has 10 sheets, but almost double the amount of stickers in it. So you have Tamika, sticker that says get out of your own way. Your adventure awaits. You have Fiona. You have Gigi. Gigi is too cute in her little romper. And then this one says hello vacation. Cynthia is cute with her asymmetric bob and her little bag. Cynthia. Then you have Janelle with her dreads and her little jogger pants. Then you have Faye. Faye is the everyday girl, and she has on her cute little shirt dress and some cute little heels, and she has an asymmetric bob as well. Then you have some icon stickers, exclamation point, stars, grocery baskets, dollar signs for payday, I guess, some more stars, some envelopes, an airplane, hearts, and I don't know what that little building or block is. I don't know what that is. Okay, see what else we got in this sticker book. Okay, then we have some stickers. This looks like the girls are in San Francisco. This one is in New York at Radio City Music Hall. This one is them in Beverly Hills. Oh, that's so cute. This sticker has, hey brown girl, you're beautiful. And the pattern is very much like the pattern on the cover that we got. They kind of match. Then it says summer nights. So this is a location somewhere, but I don't know where it is. So if you know where that mural is, Comment below and let me know. There might be a place I want to visit. Summer nights, explore the world. Then you have some header stickers that say today and to do. Then just some functional boxes with the Menonistas on it. Some lined functional boxes that have to do with travel. A city box, but you have some room to write a note there. You have checklists down the center here, and then a couple of more functional boxes there. Let's just see. Okay. Now, next page. Next page, we have some page flags and arrows. And then these are, I believe, washi strips. Yes, washi strips with a city skyline, sunglasses, catch flights, not feelings, and then another washi strip of the pattern that is running throughout this month's theme. Here we have some meal plan stickers. This is on clear sticker paper. We have some note to self stickers, some payday stickers, some bill due stickers, and then some funny little holidays like Hot Air Balloon Day is June 5th, Father's Day is June 20th, Juneteenth is on June 19th, Sunglasses Day is June 27th. This is a quote sticker that says, I dream of summers that last forever. This one says summer nights and city lights. This one says my heart beats to the sounds of the city. I love big cities. I love to go to like Vegas, New York, and just experience that big city nightlife in those two towns. I've been to both several times. Then you have this like little summer car, the girls, a passport, a letter, luggage. I don't know what that is, like maybe it's passport stamps in there. Then some more Menonistas, the San Francisco trolleys, travel, a taxi cab, a New York taxi cab, airline tickets, and a set of luggage. And then here you have some Zoe stickers, some sunshine stickers, rainbow icon stickers, note page flags, weekend banners. This one says, is like a quote strip, wherever you go, go with all your heart. Another quote strip that says summer in the city. Wrong way, sorry. Oh, it's tripping, I'm sorry, y'all. I have to edit that out. Okay. Let me back up off of it. Then we have some little functional boxes with flags on them, a long box to write notes in, some colorful little headers, a notes box, and yeah, that's the end of the sticker book. So again, you get this lovely planner cover, the cute little pen with the beautiful summer colored crystals in it. You get this sticker of the quote sticker, I'm sorry. This is the sticker of the month. This is the magnet. And then you have the sticker book. So, a beautiful little kit. I love all of the items. I need to find me something to put in that, and this is glaring, so I'm gonna stick it back here. I need me to find me something to put in this thing and carry it around because my current planner won't put in there. Maybe I just had an idea. This is a self-care journal by Goldmine and Coco, and I've been using it as my daily journal. And I'm slowly but surely getting into being a consistent journaler. And so I am going to try this out in here. And I think it's gonna fit. Not perfect, but it's pretty good. I love it. All right, I found something real quick to put in here. And as you see, I got a few more pages left in this journal before it's full. But there we go. There we go. I found something to put in here. Okay, girls, guys and girls, I absolutely love this kit and this notebook cover. And because I was damaging the front covers of this, and now I have something to put on it. Something to put it in. Cute, 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 cute. All right, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big, big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos and you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. How do you become a subscriber? You go right over there and hit that red subscription button. While you're at it, go ahead and hit the gray notification bell. That way, whenever I post a new video, bada bing, bada bam, you'll get a notification. It's been real, guys. It's been fun. I hope it's been real fun. Let me know what your favorite item in this monthly kit from Oso Paper was by commenting below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.